Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury in first house. The planet Mercury in the first house of your chart. Curious, sociable, worry, wisdom, clever, think clearly, you don't understand people, you can work related to literature, writing, translator, doctor, science, document, logic. You have a long way to study, you can have a high degree, doctorate, professor. You may have respiratory problems, bronchitis. You may have problems with your nose, asthma. You may have infections, viruses. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.